So today, I'm just going to swap out the scraper on it, and I've done this on my snowblower, and all of the bolts are, like, you can't put a tool on there because it's gone. This one actually looks like it broke off, and you can see right through the hole. So I'm going to grind those off and throw on a new one because that's the only way I know how, and it's just the easiest, and sparks fly everywhere. That's one. One more to go. Now those are all going to be very hot, so I'm not going to touch them. But I got those all out. Now I just got to take out these two, which I should be able to use just a 1/2-inch socket and pop those off and pop the new one on. And then I'll get 4 new bolts to bolt it on. In those 4 spots, I just grind it off. Alright, I'm going to zap these off. Well, this is the old one compared to the new one. So now I'm going to slide this one on the same way the old one went on. I'm going to put this all back on. Yeah, these all had washers on them, so you want to make sure you put the washers back on, because I just forgot. Well, I didn't really forget, but I almost forgot. It's just a reminder. That side's back on, and now I got to put this side back on. Now I just got to get 4 bolts to put back in there. Maybe you were able to unscrew yours. I was not able to. So I gotta get 4 new bolts and nuts. And that's gonna be the end of that. That's how you change out your scraper on a Craftsman 24-inch snowblower. And then I'll see you in the next video.